Hey guys, happy Tuesday and welcome back to Writer's Workshop. Today's focus is going to be learning from our own mentor texts. So again, this is one we've tried before, but today for sure, if you haven't done this before, definitely try it today. So we've been looking at mentor texts, books that we love, like Jabari Jumps and Roller Coaster, to learn craft moves, things that the authors do that we want to copy in our own writing. Today, it's going to be your job to find a book that you love and find at least 2 craft moves in that book that you want to try out in your own writing. You could be looking for pop out words, words that show action, or just something new that we haven't talked about yet that you like that you see the author doing. So today you're going to take about 15 minutes to look through that book and find 2 craft moves, right? You're going to find a book you love and you're going to find 2 craft moves that you really like in there. Things that you want to try in your own writing. Maybe like using pop-out words or ellipses, that ... or a new craft move that you'd like to copy. Then you're going to take 15 minutes to try to bring that craft move into your own writing. You know, you guys, I really believe that your life is a great story and it's just waiting to get told. You know, I can't wait to hear more about it when I see your reading. Thanks so much for coming, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.